So guys, subscribe and turn the notification bell on. And comment too. Hi guys, I am back with another new episode. My name is Santosh and you are watching Smart Tech. And in today's video, we'll be taking a quick look on the unboxing and the review of the Realme X2 Pro. The Chinese manufacturing company Realme has launched Realme X2 Pro in India and this event in New Delhi. So this comes with 4 rear cameras with 64 megapixel and 855 processor. So let's more with detailed specifications of the mobile and let's get started. My name is Santosh and I'm watching Smart Tech. Do it unique. This is the USB Type-C cable. It extends up to a meter, I think so. It comes with 50W Super VOOC Flash Charge adapter. And here is the SIM ejector tool. With this you can eject the SIM. User manual. And this is the back cover. It's transparent and little bit black in color. Here is the mobile. Price is 29,999 for 8GB plus 128GB, 33,999 for 12GB plus 256GB. Here is the charging port, audio jack and speaker grill. This side consists of the volume rocker, where you can increase and decrease the volume using buttons. And this is the camera with 3 rear cameras. Realme has done a really good job this time. Here is the power button used to switch off or switch on the mobile. Beside the power button, you can see the SIM slot. The SIM ejector tool helps with opening and closing the slot. This mobile is 6.5-inch Super AMOLED FHD plus screen with 20:9 aspect ratio and 90 Hz refresh rate, and the mobile is really speed, and it comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus, which makes the mobile more comfortable and relaxable to use. This mobile comes with features like fingerprint lock, face lock and also some more. It's really great and smooth phone to use. As you can see the battery level and all, it comes with 4000 mAh with 50W Super VOOC Flash Charge. So the mobile may charge or last up to 2.5 days, and the charge may take up to 30 minutes or 45 minutes. It comes with 9.0 Pie version of Android. The RAM comes with 8GB and 128GB storage, 12GB and 256GB storage. And this video features Shlok, he shot it. Front camera comes with 16MP. And again talking about the rear camera comes with 16MP plus 13MP plus 8MP plus 2MP. And you can get amazing focusing shots or blur shots here. The mobile makes a great use and very good. So we have reached the end of the video. So to talk about the Realme X2 Pro, everything is great here. So you can see the mobile runs on the Android 9.0 Pie version and comes with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus. It runs very speed and smooth, and maybe I'll be doing a battery test on it also because it has 4000 mAh battery and a fast charging adapter. It may charge in 40 to 45 minutes, I think so. So to give a final review on this mobile, I would give 4.7 stars out of the 5 stars. So I feel this mobile is really great. I want to give 4.7 stars. So that's all guys. This video was recorded by Shlok, again I'm telling. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment and share. Please do that. My goal is to get 1k subscribers, that is 1000 subscribers. Thank you for watching my show. Signing up is from Smart Tech. Do it unique.